Okay, today we're going to talk about creating your characters first. Now, you don't have to do this. What I like to do is do everything at once. When you go to story, I just want to go over this. I know I went over this in the last video. Actually, my very first video for Ohanashi AI Gen. You can create your complete story, characters, everything done for you here. The AI can fill in the blanks, can actually create the characters for you if you want. But let's say you want to create a recurring character for, I don't know, a series of books that you want to create. You could start, now you don't have to, I just like to go with the story, but you could start with the characters and it's going to create descriptions for different characters that you can use. Here we are, it's very simple. You just click add a new character, you put in the age range, default is 6 to 8. Art style, you can go with children's book, you can go with watercoloring, digital painting. I like kawaii, you know me. Character name, let's say John. We can generate description, and it's going to create the prompt for that character, or you can add in your own. Let's make it, instead of a boy, let's make it a gnome. You know, like a garden gnome with bright yellow hair that sticks up like a sunshine. He wears a green striped shirt, blue shorts, and red sneakers. That's looks ready for adventure. Perfect. Okay, gnome with yellow hair. Okay, we want to change up the thing. Gnome with yellow hair. This is optional. You can add an image to guide the AI, or you can generate an image right here. Let's generate an image instead of using the upload option. So let's create what our gnome is going to look like. Okay, let's see. It's going to take a minute or so. So here we go. Perfect. This is our gnome exactly as described. So his hat, you know, usually gnomes have like a pointy hat, but his yellow hair is the hat. So I like how the AI tries to make sense of it all. It's beautiful, perfectly done. And we save the character. Now, when we go to create our story, we can always call upon John and add him into whatever story we want. Really cool stuff. You can create multiple characters. And that's how you start with your character. Again, that's not my cup of tea. I'd rather go with the story and let the characters bloom out, or I should say, come out of that. So yeah, that's just another way to use Ohanashi AI Gen. See you in the next video guide.